Most investors think buying a rental is about finding a good area or a pretty house. Wrong. That's exactly how 99% of investors lose money. They confuse hope with analysis. The truth, a beautiful home can be a financial nightmare and a rundown shack can be a goldmine. The difference isn't the property, it's the math. Over the last decade, we've analyzed thousands of deals. We've seen the catastrophic mistakes that wipe out portfolios and the hidden gems that generate 5 figures in monthly passive income. We've distilled everything we've learned into one repeatable system. Today, I'm giving you that system, the ultimate rental property analysis checklist. 5 precise steps to strip away the emotion and see exactly how much cash a property will put in your pocket every single month. By the end of this video, you won't be guessing if a deal is good. You'll know. You're excited to start building wealth through real estate, but you're not sure where to begin. You've heard stories of investors making a fortune with rental properties, but you've also heard horror stories of people losing money. What if you invest in a rental property that doesn't generate enough cash flow? You'll be stuck with a money pit, constantly worrying about how to cover expenses. Most investors don't know how to properly analyze a rental property deal, and that's what sets them up for failure. In fact, 99% of investors are making rookie mistakes that can cost them thousands of dollars. They're not considering all the expenses, they're not researching the market, and they're not running the numbers. As a result, they're left with a property that's not generating the passive income they thought it would. You don't want to be one of them. You want to make informed decisions and build a portfolio that generates consistent cash flow. So what's the key to finding profitable rental property deals? So you want to know the secret to finding profitable rental property deals? It all starts with a solid analysis. As a real estate investor, you need to know how to crunch the numbers to determine if a deal is worth your time and money. In this video, we'll walk you through the ultimate rental property analysis checklist. This is the same checklist we use to find profitable deals for our own portfolio. Step 1. Determine the property's potential rental income. You can use tools like Rentestimate to get an estimate of the rental income. We've partnered with Rentestimate to provide you with accurate rental income estimates. Step 2. Calculate the property's expenses. This includes things like property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. You'll also need to consider vacancy rates and potential repairs. Step 3. Analyze the property's cash flow. This is where you calculate the property's income minus expenses. If the numbers don't add up, it's not a good deal. Step 4. Evaluate the property's potential for appreciation. Is the neighborhood up and coming? Are there any plans for development in the area? Step 5. Calculate the return on investment, ROI. This is where you compare the property's potential cash flow to its purchase price. If the ROI is high, it's a good deal. Now, let's talk about how to use these steps to find profitable deals. You can use websites like Zillow to find potential properties. And as a Zillow Premier agent, we can provide you with access to off-market deals. By following these steps, you'll be able to analyze any rental property deal and make informed decisions. So go ahead and start analyzing those deals. And if you need help finding profitable deals, be sure to check out the links in our description box below. Now, you can do all this math by hand. But if you want to scale, you need speed. That's why I use Rentestimate. It takes the guesswork out of your projections so you know exactly what the market will pay. To find those deals in the first place, I highly recommend Zillow Premier agents. They get you into the best properties before the masses even see them. When you combine this checklist with the right tools, the results are clear. You stop hoping for cash flow and start guaranteeing it. You move from guessing to investing. I've linked both Rentestimate and Zillow Premier Agent in the description below. Click them now to streamline your search and start building that portfolio.